front of me is POCO X4 GT, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open some area where you can input some text, for example, new message. And here we've got the current keyboard. To change it, tap on Settings, then click on Languages, and tap on Add Keyboard. Now here we've got the whole list of languages that you can apply. So let's scroll all of it. As you can see, the list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Yeah, that's the end of the list. So it doesn't matter where you're from, because you will definitely find the language that you are looking for. Then just pick the one that you want to apply, tap on Done, and now you can remove the unnecessary language if you wish. Let's go back, and as you can see, this brand new has been applied. So now you can smoothly write in Hebrew. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.